In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert video to GIF in Canva. If you've ever wanted a short looping animation to share in messages, on social posts, or on a website, a GIF is perfect. Quick to view, universally supported, and easy to make right inside Canva. Start by opening your Canva project. If your video is already on the canvas, you're ready to go. If not, insert your video into the project so it appears on the page you're working on. Think of this page as the frame that will be turned into your GIF. Make sure the clip you want is visible and positioned how you like it, because the export will reflect exactly what you see here. Next, look to the top right corner of Canva and click the Share button. This is where Canva keeps all the export options. From the Share menu, choose Download. A panel will open with file types and settings. In the File Type section, select GIF. This tells Canva to export your video as a looping animation. Keep in mind, GIFs don't carry audio, so any sound in your original video won't be included. That's normal for the format and ideal for quick, silent visuals. If your project has more than one page, choose the specific page where your video resides. This ensures you export only the content you want. If there's just one page in your project, Canva will select it automatically, and you can move on. Once you've confirmed the page and the GIF format, click Download. Canva will process the file for a moment. The time this takes depends on your video's length and the size of your canvas. When it's finished, the GIF will save to your device, ready to share. A few quick tips as you work through this. Shorter clips usually make better GIFs, smaller file sizes, and smoother loops. Since GIFs rely on limited colors and compression, they work best with clear, simple visuals. If your exported file feels large, consider using a shorter segment of your video or a smaller canvas size to help keep things lightweight. And remember, the GIF will loop by default, so pick a clip that looks natural when it repeats. That's all there is to it. Open your project, insert your video if needed, go to Share, choose Download, switch the file type to GIF, select the correct page if you have multiples, and hit Download. You'll have a clean, looping animation in just a few clicks. Thanks for watching, and enjoy creating your GIFs in Canva.